Your tablet's newly updated workshop tools now delivers expanded coverage, enhanced functionality, and more know-how than ever before. And, getting the job done has never been easier. Services are now categorized into resets, relearns, routines, calibrations, and inspections, making it simple to find the right service. The throttle body relearn, or idle relearn feature, sends the correct position of the throttle plate to achieve target idle engine RPM. Performing this routine is essential every time you clean or replace the throttle body assembly, disconnect the battery, or install a new ECU. Always exercise extreme caution when working with the electronic throttle control system. Please visit us at Innova.com to learn more.
Find the problem, fix the problem.